So, the Malayalam movie or Malayalam audience have their own opinion about the movies, like especially if it's thriller. They are interested in thriller and horror. The latest released thriller and horror were accepted by Malayalam audience.
Okay.
So, have you prepared yourself for this character before? While getting the script, have you done anything special for the Malayalam audience? Like it's your first Malayalam movie.
Yeah, this is my very first Malayalam film, which is true, but I don't know how to explain this, that I have done a lot for particular this or not, because we have always given our 100%, right? And rest, nothing is on our hand, how they take it and whether they like it or not like it. But we always give our 100%, and let's hope for the best, just like rest is on the God. Whatever he will do it, he'll do the best, I think. Yeah.
So, if you get any more opportunities from Malayalam industry, will you accept it?
Of course, yeah, it's my pleasure, like.
Is there any particular role or something you want to explore?
No, I'm open for
Eric.
any good roles, like a good script, good roles, why not? And I love to perform. I just love to perform, so always yes for it.
We have many female-oriented movies. So, what was your first thought when this particular script came to you?
Actually, if I say that who doesn't want to do the film which is, heroine oriented, and like you have to play like a male character, right? So everybody loves it for sure. And even I like it when he said it's heroine oriented. So first of all, the first thought which came in my mind was, oh my God, how I have to carry everything on my shoulder and I have to deal with it, right? And at the same time, I have to perform like that. Because when your whole story is on you, you have to be like very straight.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I was very happy and of course nervous, but I started myself and I started preparing myself that how I'm going to do it. But thankfully, I'm very grateful that I have got the great team and they have supported me to to carry this whole journey. Yeah, and it was beautiful. It was beautiful.
So when I saw the trailer, there was much struggles. Some scenes are showing some struggles. So were you able to fight in this movie?
Of course, yes, because
There is stunt from you.
yeah. So basically, like I know the fighting and like
You know.
yeah, yeah, I know MMA and all of that. So it was easy for me, and the best part is in few stunt scene I have not taken the support,
There is no.
like a jump or like to fall like opposite direction and all of that. So that I just
You don't
did
have
it.
any double.
Yeah,
You
no,
did
I did.
it.
I did it by myself. Like
Oh,
there's
that's
no
great.
body double and nothing like that. Yeah, I did it by myself.
So how you like? It's a risky shot.
Yeah.
What's it like? Were you nervous at the time? You said you're always nervous.
Yeah.
What
I
was the
mean,
confidence?
it's just like, when the camera is there and the scene is written for you, so I think you should do it.
You should, yeah.
You should just go ahead. Yeah. Don't think of another thought. Just go ahead.
Okay, so the movie is about to release on March 6th.
March 6th, yes.
So what do you want to convey to the audience?
I just want to say that we have made this film beautifully with lots of hard work. So give a lot of love to Pallavi and for this film. And please do come to the theater and watch our film.
Okay, thank you so much. It was a nice experience
Yes.
having a conversation with you.
Yes, thank you, Sindhya.